what I am, I will explain to you. My conscience is the only thing that helps to pull me through. Objection is a thing that I have studied thoroughly. I don't object to fighting a hun, but should it be fighting me? Non-competent battalion of Danny in my line, but the sergeant always hates me, and he called me baby dying. But oh, I got so cross with him, I rose to the attack, and when he called me asshole, I just called him this and that. Send out the army and the navy, send out the rank and file, send out the brave old territorial, they'll face the danger with a smile. Send out the boys of the old brigade, made old heat run free. Send out my brother, my sister, and my other back. For God's sake, don't send me. And enough the officer, he is a horrid brute. That Friday he was hurt with me, so that I did not pursue. But I came twice today, and then he answered his mistake. I said I thought, dear Captain, that you too were close with me. Send out the army and the navy, send out the rank and file, send out the brave old territorial, they'll face the danger with a smile. Send out the boys of the old brigade, made old England clean. Send out the nation, and the few profit nation that the God has just sent me.